Here a question is given that block A of mass 1 kg is hanging at rest from a vertical spring of spring constant K is equal to 600 Newton per meter. Block B of 1 kg mass strikes the block A with velocity V and sticks to it. Then the value of V for which the spring just attains natural length is option 1 √10 meter per second, option 2 1 meter per second, option 3 2 meter per second, option 4 none of these. In this question, the mass of two blocks A and B are given by MA is equal to MB is equal to M is equal to 1 kg. Let X be the expansion of the spring when a block of mass M is suspended from it. And spring constant is given K is equal to 600 Newton per meter. So we can write mg is equal to kx or x is equal to mg by k. Velocity of block B is small v. It collide with block A and stuck to it. Let capital V be the velocity of both block after collision. According to conservation of linear momentum, we can write m plus m into capital V is equal to m into small v, or capital V is equal to m small v by twice m, or capital V is equal to small v by 2. After collision, the spring retains its initial length. Kinetic energy of both block we can write half into 2m into capital V square. We can replace capital V by small v by 2. Then kinetic energy of both block will be 1/4 m small v square. Loss of potential energy after collision of the spring is half kx square. We can replace x by mg by k according to equation number 1. Then potential energy will be half into k into m square g square by k square is equal to m square g square by twice k. Increase of potential energy of both block is equal to m plus m into gx is equal to 2m gx is equal to 2mg into mg by k is equal to 2m square g square by k. Conservation, according to conservation of mechanical energy, we can write 1/4 mv square plus m square g square by 2k is equal to 2m square g square by k, or mv square is equal to 8m square g square by k minus 2m square g square by k, or m small v square is equal to 6m square g square by k, or small v is equal to √6m g square by k. We can write the value of mgk as m is equal to 1 kg, g is equal to 10 meter per second square, and k is equal to 600 Newton per meter. Then v will be √1. So that the final answer will be v is equal to 1 meter per second.